Hello and welcome to UNIZIK tutorials. Today we'll be talking about how to download Microsoft Teams to your desktop, your PC. Whether you're making use of Microsoft Windows or you're using Linux or you're making use of MacBook iOS X Windows. So whichever one you're making use of, whichever operating systems you're making use of, this is the tutorial for you. So the first thing you do is to visit the link that is displaying currently on screen. Once you visit the link, you get this page. The first thing it's going to ask you, or it might ask you based on your settings of your computer, it's going to ask whether you want to switch from international English or you want to stay in United States English. Because I set my computer to United States, that's why it's suggested. So, but I want to stay in it, so it's still the same English. So here you see download for desktop and download for mobile. So if you're on mobile, you can click on this and you get a link, a directory on how to get your mobile app. So I'll put a link for all this in the description below. So when you're watching this, get the links in the description and let's proceed. So I'll click on this, download for desktop. So once I click on it, it takes me down to this part where it says download Teams. So I'll click on it and wait. It will load a screen and it will start downloading. If you look at the lower part of this place, you will see the Teams downloading. So I'm going to wait while this finishes downloading, then we'll start installation. So right now the Microsoft Teams application is downloaded on my system. I can easily click on it here to start installation, or better still, track down based on the Windows based on the browser that you're using. If you're using Microsoft Edge, or you're making use of Mozilla Firefox, or using Safari, or maybe you're using Google Chrome, track down where the application is downloaded, then click on it. Either you double click or you right click and say open. So I'm going to click open, then I'll minimize this so that we can see clearly the windows. So if you're on Microsoft Windows 10, it will warn you about the smart screen and all. Just click on run. So it's just security protocol. So when I click on run, I'll give it some time. Okay, so right now the installation has started. You can see installing Microsoft Teams. So we hold out for the installation dialog box to start so that we can proceed and follow through. So it's easy to install. Once you're done clicking on it and the process comes to this point, it is time for you to sign in. Presume by now you will proceed to creating your account. So you click on this or watch the next video for how to create your account. So, but if you already have an account, you click on here and sign in. So when I put in my details, and click on sign in, since I already created an account for this Microsoft Teams, it will open the page for me. So just give it time. So it's loading now to display the dashboard. Okay, so right now this is what I'm getting. I minimized every other thing so that we can see the background clearly. So here I am supposed to put in my password. Remember the password you made use of. Make sure to note down your password in a secure location. So got it. So once you forgot your password, you can click on the reset password button, which will easily reset your password. So I suggest you don't forget your password. So right now, stay signing in all apps. Okay, I'll say okay. Now whichever one. I say okay. Okay, hold on while we register this device with your company and apply policy. This may take a moment, so just give it a moment. It will proceed to the next page. So based on how fast your network is, this shouldn't take too long. So you're all set. We've added your account successfully. You now have all access to organizations, apps, and services. I'll click on done. Then this will start loading. Okay, voila, here we are. So this is the application. Now understand one thing. Based on the configuration of your system and the power your system packs, this process might take longer. And also another criteria is, if your network is fast, you will get the result faster. But if your network is slower, it will take a little bit of time, but you will get to this place. So all you have to do is, while you're taking this process, be patient while the process completes. Because if you interrupt it, it might give you an error or something. So this is it on how to download, install, and sign in to Microsoft Teams. Have a great day. Peace out.